Marriott has had a great performance in the market in the past couple of days. So now the question stands whether or not Marriott is actually a good investment right now and how the future of the stock will play out. More on that in this video. Hello and welcome to another video here at Bloomberg Capital. My name is Henrik and today we'll be taking a quick look at Marriott International, and we can jump right in and take a look at the chart here to see the development over the past couple of years. And here we can see that, for example, in 2020, so in the time of the pandemic, Marriott was certainly hit quite hard. I mean, there was kind of a sell-off across most markets, but especially for Marriott being in the hotel business, they were hit especially hard. But on the other hand, we can see the price has actually managed to rebound relatively quickly, and ever since then, prices actually managed to grow on steadily here, as we can see. But let's take a look at how Marriott has been doing more recently. And here we can see that for the past roughly 1.5 years, Marriott has been mostly going sideways. So price hasn't really moved from this high here all too much, at least not until a couple of days ago, where price has actually now managed, after consolidating here above this sideways price range for a couple of months, we have seen this move to the upside here, which seems to be relatively strong, pushing price to the upside. And we have actually seen a similar move before over here, where things actually haven't turned out so well and price turned down again. But this time we saw a greater consolidation here above this level, which suggests to us that price had sort of a difficulty pushing back down into the price range, which leads us to believe that there's now a greater chance for a new trend to have started here, which should then push price higher. And also, if we look at the general trend here, then it becomes pretty clear that sort of this price channel here has built, in which price is trending upwards. And in that, we have built out a pretty significant low here at the bottom of the price channel. And we are now moving back to the upside. And price has now managed to rise above sort of this middle line of the price channel and is now building a low above it. And that is what we want to see here, that price actually sort of consolidates here further above this level, and then it should start to push higher and push back to the top of the price channel. So what we can expect here is the price should move into the range of like $360 or $370, which from the current price would be an increase of almost 30% over the next couple of months, which wouldn't be too bad of an investment. But there are also some pitfalls to look out for here and points where you might reconsider your investment and close it on the other side. Because now one of the things we are expecting is that this line here is giving some support to price. So we would expect some consolidation here above this level. So if price now falls further and actually manages to trade below this level, then that would not be a good sign and a signal to rethink your investment, at least if it does so over a large period of time. So for example, it would still be fine if we get a short dip below this level with price rebounding relatively quickly back to this level or back above it. And we also have a second sort of hard level, which would be the point here from which this price rise here started. So we really do not want to see this level taken out with a new low. So if price trades below this, then we can be relatively certain that this expectation most likely won't really be happening and that price will most likely actually return back to the bottom of the price channel. So if you see either price going below this level or for a longer period of time trading below the middle line here, going back into the lower half of the price channel here, then that would certainly be a sign to rethink your position. But otherwise, you can just lean back and hope for this price development here. But in general, if you want more help with your investment positions, you can check out the description below. There you'll find a link to our Discord, where we provide analysis in over 180 assets, ranging from stocks like Marriott International to cryptocurrencies or even precious metals. So if you're interested in that, check it out down below. In general, I hope this video was helpful, and until next time, here at Bloomberg Capital.